So today is a very exciting day. The shop is basically done except the doors, which are kind of important. Those are going to go in this week. There's going to be a 7-foot wide roll up, a coil overhead door there. And then over on this side, 6-foot double like French door, but it'll just probably be more of a commercial steel door. The outside dimensions are 10 by 14. Got a really nice concrete slab under it. Turned out really nice. This was my big, kind of my gift to myself, was a set of rolling toolboxes. But major thing for me today is to get all of my tools in one spot, or most of them, all the hand tools and stuff. Right now they've always been kind of spread all over. So that's today's project, is to get the toolboxes out and to start filling them up. So yep, this is